In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front license plate bracket on this Ford E-350. Let's get started. With your license plate removed, you can access the tabs that mount the license plate bracket onto the front bumper through these two little openings. And all you need is a flathead screwdriver, so you can stick it in here and pry the tab upwards. I'll show you exactly what to pry on once this comes out. Okay, there's one. Second one is going to be right over here. Okay, there we go. You have to push in on the license plate bracket, and once you hook on to the tab, pull it out. There it is. On the back side, you can see the tabs that I was trying to pry on. So basically these right here hook on. You just have to lift it, but going through the front with the screwdriver, either like this or from the side, and there is your license plate bracket. To install the license plate bracket, all you do is line it up and press it on, and then you put your license plate on. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.